In today's video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs for audiobook production, so you can turn written stories or books into professional quality audio narration. If you're new to audiobook creation, the process is simply about converting written text into consistent, natural-sounding speech that listeners can enjoy from start to finish. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the Projects or Text-to-Speech section. This is where you'll manage long-form audio content, like audiobooks. Next, prepare your book by dividing it into chapters or sections. This makes it much easier to generate, review, and edit the audio without losing track of the structure. Now, choose a voice that fits the tone of your book. For example, a calm voice works well for nonfiction, while a more expressive voice suits fiction and storytelling. Once your voice is selected, start by pasting one chapter or section into the editor. Avoid pasting the entire book at once, as smaller chunks produce more accurate and manageable results. Before generating, review the text carefully. Clean formatting, proper punctuation, and clear sentence structure help the AI produce smoother narration. Now, click Generate and let ElevenLabs convert your text into spoken audio. After each section is created, listen back to ensure the pacing, pronunciation, and tone remain consistent throughout the narration. Repeat this process for each chapter until your entire audiobook is complete, keeping everything organized inside your project workspace. Once finished, download all audio files and arrange them in order using your editing software if needed. With consistent voice settings and careful formatting, you can produce high-quality audiobooks that sound natural and engaging. And that's how you use ElevenLabs for audiobook production. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.